As you can see, the magnets are super strong with this. This has a little piece here that you can let it go, and then you can just clip it back in if you want to hold it still. And then we've got these extra wooden pieces here. They are super good quality. And these are super smooth. This is the carry-all bag that came with it. It's very big. All the pieces fit perfectly in it. And then this was a lot, very simple to put together. And then you've got all these wooden pieces, and they're very smooth. No issues with splinters. And then we've got some extra little pieces to put on top. And variety, baby, variety. There.
I'm like this fun?
Because you are traitors.
Is it fun?
It is.
So you can make the crane work? How do you make the crane work? Show me how to make the crane work.
This is how you turn it in. Return it.
And then...
And this is how you drop stuff.
Okay.
Just put your fingers and then drop the stuff down.
Oh, and does it stop then? How'd you stop the crane? How'd you stop it?
Well, it has this little peg thingy on the side. And then you can put it in a hole. And then it locks.
Because of the gas.
Locks in there, huh? Cool. So, oh.